and down, notice how I want to turn my body. Flip, here. So I want to start switching leads a bit. Then you're just going to allow that to happen. Step back and switch.
Violence destroys. Weaponizing is the counter strategies to violent criminal assault. Hey, I'm Greg LaBeouf, aka The Violence Guy, and I'm sharing with you how I went from the victim of a brutal attempted murder to mastering the tool of violence and protecting myself and family, and how you can do the same from the safety and comfort of your own home. Welcome to Weaponizing DIY.
Once we flip, we're here. We flip. You're in the right position to just keep hitting a forehand redondo. So now remember, a forehand redondo, just think like there's a ledge here. And you put something on the ledge, put somebody's hand on the ledge, and then you're just going to smash it. Okay? You're not doing this. You're not smashing through. Okay? Your hit, smash, and retract. Smash. So it's like on a train. Like the wheel. You know, it has those metal things. So it's just hitting like this circular motion. You're making a little circle with the tip of the stick. And when you do that, let your body hit with it. So body comes in, smash, smash. You can see where you drop body weight, smash. And then it hit and pull back, hit and pull back, hit and pull back. Notice how much the stick's cocking up to smash. And you got to turn, hits come in, smash. Hit and retract, hit and retract, hit and retract.